It's not just about custody. The legal battle between Brat and Judy over their child True has taken a dramatic turn. While rumors suggest that Brat has custody of baby True and receives child support from Judy, the story may not be so simple. Judy is now breaking her silence, accusing Brat of financial misconduct. According to whispers, Judy alleges that Brat accessed her bank accounts and misused her financial information. She's reportedly preparing to sue Brat for an eye-popping $300 million, claiming theft and betrayal. What was once a celebrated love story has now become a heated legal feud, with shocking revelations coming to light. Let's rewind to understand how this once powerful couple became adversaries. The two first met in 2017 at an Atlanta event hosted by Judy's Kaleidoscope company, known for its miracle drops. Judy later admitted, "I was so bashful. At first I was incredibly nervous and scared, but Brat was intrigued." Brat shared a similar sentiment, saying, "I would hide my face when I laughed and even duck behind furniture when she spoke to me. It was so unlike me." Their first date, held in a studio, brought them closer. Judy initially thought it was a business meeting for a Miracle Drops promotional campaign, but Brat had other plans. "Let's link," Brat suggested. Judy, confused, responded, "What does that even mean?" Reflecting on their beginnings in 2021, Judy told Essence, "I thought we were just going to relax and start working together, but Brat was serious about connecting." Though their budding romance hit a few bumps, like a spilled drink and a months-long silence after exchanging numbers, Brat eventually won Judy over. "There were certain boundaries in the beginning," Judy explained. "We couldn't just go out like normal couples. But I was okay with that. Now, their once-loving bond has unraveled into a full-fledged rivalry, with legal stakes escalating by the day." She shared, "It felt like a new chapter of life I had never explored before. Understanding the benefits of privacy was like, okay, now I see it." In 2019, the two were in New Orleans, Judy's hometown, attending Essence Fest. During that trip, Brat started to care less about others' opinions regarding her relationship with another woman. Reflecting on that time, Brat said in 2021, "When we were in New Orleans, we went to Maro's for a meal. I was still a bit anxious. I walked to the side of the building and then Judy came around and kissed me. Catherine came along. I couldn't believe it. I thought, oh my God, you kissed me outside." Essence Fest marked a turning point for her. "It was like, you know what? I just didn't care anymore," Brat added. "It was all about how she made me feel." In March 2020, their relationship became public after they were spotted together in New Orleans. Addressing the rumors, Brat expressed her joy on Instagram, celebrating finding her soulmate after Judy surprised her with a Bentley for her birthday. Brat wrote, "I was always very private until I met my soulmate who approaches life differently than I do. Thank you, baby, for the incredible birthday gift," she went on to say. "It's so overwhelming that I often have moments where I wish I never woke up, just so I could keep living this dream forever." Shortly after making their relationship public, the couple starred in the WeTV reality show Brat Loves Judy. During a surprise birthday party Judy planned for Brat, she proposed, asking Brat to marry her. Around January 2022, the couple shared a photo of Brat forming a heart with her hands over Judy's stomach. Fans speculated they were announcing a pregnancy, but the pair clarified it was part of a promotional shoot for the Kaleidoscope brand. On February 22, 2022, the couple began preparing for the arrival of their first child. Judy's sister, LisaRaye, stood by her side as a bridesmaid during their star-studded wedding ceremony, where the couple exchanged heartfelt vows. Longtime friend and collaborator Jermaine Dupri walked Brat down the aisle. Despite facing challenges such as Brat's miscarriage and Judy's struggles with using her own eggs, the two remained determined to grow their family. "I have never been this excited about something I didn't even realize I wanted," Brat shared. "Everything came together beautifully, and I became captivated by the idea." On the eve of their first wedding anniversary, the couple joyfully announced their pregnancy on The Sherri Shepherd Show and across social media. The pregnancy was made possible with the help of a donor from their cryobank. Brat described it as a true blessing. The pair's journey began in Atlanta in 2017 at one of Judy Dupart's Kaleidoscope marketing events for her Miracle Drops product. Brat, initially shy yet intrigued, often kept a low profile during the event. I would laugh and hide my face, and whenever my mother spoke, I'd duck behind furniture because I was so nervous and self-conscious, Brat admitted. As they worked together, the two formed a bond, though at first Brat believed their interactions were strictly professional. His actual serious worries were put to rest. I told her, let's link, but I wasn't sure how she interpreted that, Judy recalled. Even though it took time to adjust, I was okay with it. In 2021, Judy reflected, I thought she just wanted to connect and talk. I assumed we'd hang out casually, but after exchanging numbers, she vanished for months. Judy also noted, there were boundaries at the start, and we couldn't just dive into going out to the movies or anything like that. I understood it was a new chapter for her, one she hadn't fully explored yet. Things began to shift when Brat visited Judy's hometown of New Orleans. During that trip, Brat grew more comfortable with expressing her feelings openly. When we arrived in New Orleans, we went to Maro's for dinner. I was still nervous and hesitant, but then she turned around and kissed me outside the restaurant, Brat shared. At that moment, I thought, oh my God, she kissed me out in the open. During the Essence Festival, Brat shared that she had started falling deeply in love. It was just the way she made me feel, she said. After being seen together in New Orleans, the couple went public with their relationship in March 2020. Brat later surprised Judy with a Bentley on Instagram, referring to her as her true love. Before I met my soulmate, who approaches things differently than I do, I was a very private person, Brat wrote. Thank you, baby Daryl Beeb Judy, for so much more than this amazing birthday gift. She added, I've never felt this kind of overwhelming emotion before, and I often find myself in a dreamlike state, hoping to never wake up. Shortly after announcing their relationship, the pair joined the WE reality show Brat Loves Judy. On the show, Judy proposed to Brat during a surprise birthday party she organized for the rapper. In January 2022, the couple posted a picture of Brat forming a heart with her hands over her stomach, sparking speculation among fans and friends about a possible pregnancy. However, it was later revealed that the post was part of a promotional campaign for a Kaleidoscope brand collaboration. Even so, the couple had already started planning to grow their family. On February 22, 2022, Brat and Judy tied the knot in a glamorous wedding attended by celebrities. Brat's sister and close friend Jermaine Dupri walked her down the aisle, and LisaRaye, one of her bridesmaids, was also in attendance. The road to parenthood wasn't easy. Brat experienced a miscarriage, and Judy faced challenges during her egg retrieval process. Additionally, Brat was advised to have fibroids and polyps removed before attempting to carry a child. Despite these obstacles, the couple remained committed to building their family. I fell in love with the idea of motherhood before it was taken away from me, Brat reflected. Emotional topics that would frighten people, said Salinger. As the episode progressed, Klein did not recognize it as part of the initial scene. She tried to make the third season as easy as possible, though only lasted 7 seasons after they had their first wedding anniversary during an appearance on The Sherri Shepherd Show. And they were eager yet nervous to celebrate the next chapter. This time, they announced their pregnancy as a true blessing, Dorothy cheating and Flora Maddox. Brad said describing the pregnancy as a true blessing. So what do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments section below, and if you don't want to miss out on the hottest celebrity news, make sure to subscribe to dailyfinder.com.